Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious vegan chocolate chip cookies from scratch. First, let's gather our plant-based ingredients. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Make sure your vegan butter and milk are at room temperature for the best results. Having everything ready makes the baking process smooth and enjoyable, setting you up for success right from the start. Now that your ingredients are ready, let's start mixing. Begin by creaming together your room temperature vegan butter with both the brown and granulated sugars until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, gradually incorporate your plant-based milk and a teaspoon of vanilla extract, ensuring everything is well combined. In a separate bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients. Then, slowly add the dry mixture to the wet, mixing until just combined to avoid overworking the dough. With your dough mixed, it's time for the star ingredient, chocolate chips. Gently fold in about 1 cup of your favorite vegan chocolate chips. Be careful not to overmix them, as this can break them up. Once the chocolate is evenly distributed, cover your dough and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This crucial step helps the flavors meld and prevents your cookies from spreading too much in the oven, ensuring a perfect texture. Finally, it's time to bake your delicious vegan chocolate chip cookies. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Scoop rounded tablespoons of the chilled dough onto a parchment-lined baking sheet, leaving some space between each. Bake for about 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are beautifully golden brown. Let them cool on the baking sheet for 5 minutes before transferring to a wire rack. Enjoy your warm, homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.